Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now it's time for the final drop. Let's go! Yes, you got a hangover. Oh. Alright guys, here we go right now, ready for takeoff, ready for the highest mobile energy wardrobe tower in the world. Welcome with pleasure. Welcome to the highest mobile energy wardrobe tower in the world. Here we go. Alright guys, here we go right now. Ready, steady, go for it, let's do it.
I'll see where you can get my This is the dog. What's that one? Alex has already been out. Why did we do Yeah, we're taller than him. It feels so much higher. Yeah, go to church. Just go this down. Look at the city sky. I can see the shards, I can see Canary Wharf, I can see the London Eye. I can see school, guys. Guys, I can see the Robert Hooke Science Centre. Guys, I can see the Robert Hooke Science Centre. The Robert Smith Science Centre? Yeah. Oh, I see Battersea Power Plant. I see Big Ben. I see the Elizabeth Tower. I swear I feel like... Oh, I see some
You got a hangover, oh. Now you made it, guys. The exit is in front of the right, guys.